everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a little fall prep video. So I'm getting ready for fall. I'm trying to get you guys ready for fall. This is a little eyeshadow tutorial using the Tartelette Toasted palette. This is going to be like an effortless smoky eyeshadow tutorial. So starting off, of course, you guessed it, a transition color. I'm also putting it all over my lid too because I didn't know if I was going to do like a full smoky eye or if I was going to do a little cut crease. So I put the shade Cashmere all over the lid and in the crease, just like I said, as a transition color. And then I'm going to go into the shade Latte, and this is going all over the lid and in the crease. I'm not going as far up as I did with Cashmere, just getting that right in the crease, all over the lid, like I said. Now I know this is going to be a little smoky eye. So yeah, and it's just supposed to be very easy. Like I said, an effortless smoky eye, nothing crazy. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be a super pro at makeup. Super easy, and it looks, I don't know, at the end it looked really nice, really smoky, sultry. So yeah. Now I'm picking up the shade Cozy, putting that all over the lid and in the crease. Kind of same thing that I did with Latte. If I do sound a little weird, nasally, stuffy, guys, I battled COVID-19. I tested positive. I was really sick for like a week. I'm finally feeling so much better. I just have this lingering, nasally, stuffy nose. My nose is actually not even that stuffy. I just you know, sound nasally, so I do apologize. So yeah, that's why I sound a little bit weird. If I'm annoying in this video, I'm very, very sorry. Just put me on mute. Now I'm going into Fireside, and like I said, that's like my new phrase, I guess, but this is a little sultry kind of smoky eye. So I just picked up a little bit and kind of just smudged it on the lash line. I didn't want this to be a perfect straight line. I just want it to be a little smoky, and that's why I'm going in with this E25. Picked up a little bit of Fireside and kind of just smudged it all over the lid to give, you know, that depth. And then I kind of regret doing a winged eyeliner. I should have just left it kind of smoky. Sorry, my cats are fighting. But I decided, you know what, let's just do a winged eyeliner. And it's not supposed to be perfect. It's not supposed to be super sharp. Like I said, again, geez, Katie. Just supposed to be a little, you know, messy kind of vibe. Here, for concealer, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is not my favorite concealer, but I just need to switch it up for you guys, I know. So that's why I used it today. I would have preferred my Too Faced concealer. But, you know, trying to switch it up, keep things interesting. Here, I'm using the Givenchy PRISME LIBRE Loose Powder, my favorite powder to set my under eyes right now. I love this stuff so much. Keeps my under eyes from looking wrinkly and crepey and all that good stuff. So, did that, and then for my brow bone highlight, I'm using S'more. Great cream shade to highlight right underneath my eyebrow. I love it. You guys know I'm very picky with my brow bone highlights, so this one I'm very happy with. Thank you, Tarte. Going back into Fireside, the darkest shade in the palette, aligning my outer third of my lower lash line, and then I'm blending that out with a mixture of Latte and Cozy. I hate sometimes the lower lash line just drives me a little crazy. So after I did that, these lashes I really, really like, the Ardell 421s. They were a little in the inner corner. I could have cut them a little bit, but look how pretty this looks, guys. Love these lashes. I love the look. Smoky, sultry, super duper easy, and a great little fall eyeshadow tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Bye!